Have you always believed that searing your steak locks in its juices? Today, we're debunking this myth with science. Searing meat is a common cooking practice, but it doesn't actually seal in moisture. This belief has been around for years, despite evidence to the contrary. Searing meat on high heat browns and hardens the surface, but it doesn't create a waterproof barrier. Instead, the crust forms as moisture evaporates. The idea that searing seals in juices was debunked by numerous sources over time. Scientific studies show no significant lock-in effect. When meat is cooked at high temperatures, the muscle fibers contract and push out moisture, leading to a drier texture rather than locking in juices. Understanding this myth can help improve cooking techniques. Instead of relying on searing alone for juiciness, focus on proper resting and temperature control. Despite scientific evidence to the contrary, this myth persists due to its intuitive appeal. But now you know the truth. Searing doesn't lock in juices. Now that we've debunked this cooking myth, what other food myths do you want us to explore? Let me know in the comments below!